Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to link your Google form to Google Sheet so that you can get the data from your user or from your audience or customer. So what you need to do after creating your form, so I just created this form like this. So then click here the response and link to sheet. Once you click and click create, so you will see how it looks like you can say like your name, father name, mother name, birthday name, email, gender. Like for example, like I created this form. If I fill up all the form here, then it will update it here automatically. Like you can see, for example, I just go to the this, like this is the loading, like name, maybe something I type, something I type, something I type, so something I type, email, something, gender, uh, this, and select travel and click some submit. Once you click submit, and if you want to check on, if you like refresh it, then you can see, like you need to, you can see here it's updated your form here. So this way you can link your Google form to Google Sheet so that you can get easily like a response. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.